Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute. Well, I am back with a double plan with me featuring the new mini kit format by Glam Planner. This one is called Tickets Please, and I'm going to be using this for the week that Toy Story 4 is being released, which is Monday the 17th of June through Sunday, June 23rd. And I am using my A5 inserts. This is going to be a double plan with me because I'm going to be doing my regular main spread, which are in these vertical, regular, I guess they're half letter. These are from So Much Crafting. This is what I use for my personal life and social commitments, family stuff. This is my main spread. And then I also have a set of inserts by So Much Crafting that have a big long checklist at the bottom. I believe they are called Week on 2 Page with Checklist. And this is what I use for when I'm at work. And you'll see in a little bit, and I do have several examples of this on my Instagram at Reese Plans, but for privacy reasons I can't really show you a completed spread because I can't blur it out in the video. I'm just not that good at editing. So I'm going to be showing you how not only I use the mini kit, but how I split it between two spreads. Generally, this one is going to be more on the no white space side, and then my work one is whatever is left over, usually with plenty of white space, but that is okay. So let me show you what the kit looks like. So this is the new mini kit. It has 8 full boxes. I love the colors. This is the functional and deco sheet. Look at all of that deco. It's awesome. I like all the fun script words over here, and then the usual assortment of stuff off to the side. We've got a bunch of boxes, both rounded half boxes, squared off half boxes, quarter boxes, and then you have 7 glitter headers here. You've got your nope and then checklists. And then more boxes, 2 sidebars, more labels and quarter boxes, an assortment of mini icons, and then the washi sheet, which is bottom washi, a separate strip of glitter washi, headers, not headers, date covers, and then 5 work headers. So that is the 5-page mini kit. And I believe it's $16.95 before any sort of discount. And there are some add-ons that I really like to get each time. So the first add-on would be this one. It's called the Glitter Checkbox Sheet. Obviously it comes with 6 checkboxes as well as 2 more sections of glitter headers. So if you want to combine with this one, boom. You've got enough headers to cover everything on there. Even if you're in an Erin Condren, you would have enough because you would have 21. So that's really cool. And then this is her new format for her side washi. Obviously it is not A5 length. This is sized for personal planners, but this 3rd strip over here is segmented. So if I take one of those and tack it on, it'll be exactly right for A5 or half letter, whichever. So I have not done this in a really long time, so I think this is the part where I'm going to skip over into voiceover because I'm having trouble speaking today. I'm just gonna play with some stickers, but I'll do my best to show you all of the stuff that I use as I use it. And if you would like to pick up anything from Glam Planner, I am on her first PR team, which is super exciting. And if you use my code RIS15, RIS15, you get 15% off of your order, which before the discount, mini kit plus glitter checkbox sheet plus half boxes, or not half boxes, plus this guy, the side washi. See, I told you I can't speak. Before discount, I want to say it's around $21 somewhere in there, and then 15% off. It's quite the deal. It's really, really exciting. So enough stalling. let's hop in to the planning. I'm going to start off using my date covers, which are very self-explanatory, but I'm going to go ahead and add some date dots. These are black printed on clear paper, and I believe they are 95 cents right now, currently in the Glam Planner shop. They also do come in foiled, but I really love using the black, mainly because I use black pen for all of my spreads, and it matches, in my opinion. Next up, I'm going to use my bottom washi, and I'm going to lay down the shorter piece first, and I need the exact same length on the other side. So I'm going to take my ruler and a craft knife, line it up with the other edge, and just draw it straight down, which will give me the perfect amount of washi for my other side. Next up, I'm going to put down my glitter headers. Now, I only need 5 going across, so I'm going to use the gold on Wednesday, and then I'm going to mirror on the other side, and I think I'm going to save the blue ones for the weekend. Then, of course, my check boxes. I like to put one finger down on the bottom corner to sort of anchor it, and then I line up an edge and then lay it down. Following those, I'm going to come in with my full boxes. Since I'm only working with 8 full boxes for both spreads, I'm going to choose the ones that I like the most for this main one, and I'm going to try to save 2, preferably 3, for my work spread. So these ones are my favorite, so I'm going to use those in the main one, and then I'm going to try to do my best to fill most of the weekend with other things. I am going to use this one, though, on Saturday because we're going to be probably seeing the movie on Saturday, and I'll write the name on top in that marquee. Now, down below, I want to use this glitter washi to mark my son being at camp, and to make it the right length over there, ending Friday, since the paper is sort of clear, I just lined it up and then again traced by lining up my ruler with the outside edge of what I could see of Friday's column and then cutting it. And then I'm going to fill in and match my color blocking with my glitter headers. I do a type of planning that I like to call hourly, which is a little bit vertical, a little bit hourly. So everything above the full boxes is just a generalized to-do list for that day, and then everything below is chronological stuff for after work, appointments, etc. So I've put in a little squared off half box on Monday to mark that my son's going to be going to scout camp, and I used a little arrow by Bubba Bear Studios and a leftover scout camp flag from Planner Penny. And I'm going to just fill in with the boxes that came with the kit on my various plans. I'm going a little bit more white spacey than I normally do on this one, mainly because there's so much white already incorporated into the artwork, and it works really well. To take up some space, I'm going to use a sidebar box over on Sunday to mark dinners, and then I don't have to worry about leaving a space for dinner on each individual day. Things are really crooked, so I'm going to get out my UnDu in a little bit, but before then, I'm going to put down some softball stickers. These are by Polished Patterns. Most of my extracurricular activity stickers are by Polished Patterns. I really love her shop. She's really great about customizing things, since I like a lot of neutral stickers so that nothing clashes with whatever kit I have picked out. And I found that she is incredibly responsive as far as customizing things and making them neutral. I absolutely love her, and there will be a link for her shop in the description box. Since I have some extra glitter headers, I'm going to layer those on top of the boxes and then put my wording stickers on top. I really love to layer stickers, especially on boxes where I don't have to write. I'm going to put down a little reading Bippity and a family dinner sticker. I'm going to use an icon and the wording from Boy Scouts. And now that little section where I used UnDu is finally dry-ish, I put down that other half box. These game stickers are by Planner Kate, but I'm running out and I'm probably going to end up ordering more. But they were custom from a while ago and I don't see them available in her shop anymore, so that'll probably be changing too. All right, things are still a little bit crooked, but let's go ahead and move on. This is what I'm working with just to start off with my work spread. I like to take the work headers, or littles technically, and use them as headers at the top of my day, just to have my schedule all in one spot and provide some sort of uniformity going all the way across. I'm going to use the other box down here. I usually put whatever podcasts I'm listening to at work in there, or I can use it for marking lunches, etc. I'm going to put down my side washi. I find that that's a really great way to incorporate a lot of pattern and theme while still leaving a lot of workable space for me to put lists and things. I like to use my big weekend banner over here. Normally on the Saturday and Sunday for my work spread, I'll put double box or a pair of full boxes that connect, but I think I'm going to use those full boxes over in my sidebar area. I'm going to put down a piece of Deco right there, and then I'll end up punching through that in a little bit, but I'm going to create a little list for myself. But I think I'll do that after putting together my sidebar. So I'm going to put my extra full box stickers over there, and I'm also going to take my weekly habit trackers and put them over there. Normally I use that for reminding myself of little things while I'm at work. And again, still pulling absolutely all of these elements from the kit because there's just so much functional awesomeness in there. I'm going to grab some of the larger pieces of Deco and put that down. And then I'm going to use this last strip of gold glitter and then these segmented chunks from the side washi on the weekend. I like how it kind of looks like a container of popcorn. I really think that's cool. Sort of mirroring my main spread for the week, I'm going to color block the top of these columns with glitter headers, and then I'm going to choose alternating yet still symmetrical checklist flags for each day. Obviously those will get filled in as the days approach. I'm going to use this just to cover that little space in between Saturday and Sunday. Since I have an extra box, why not use it? I think that's pretty fun. And now it is time for my favorite part, Deco. Some of these are still really big, so I'm going to put the planner down on Wednesday, since I usually take my midweek pictures at my desk at work on my breaks. I'm going to get out the whiteout and get rid of this little area at the bottom of that sheet, as well as the entire Saturday and Sunday columns. Since I only work Monday through Friday, I don't need those. I do use that bottom check-off section because in my job, which is HR and payroll, I have like a routine in the morning of things that I do every single day, and then my afternoons are generally projects and other miscellaneous things that change from day to day, and that's what goes up in the upper column part. So I'm going to take my extra Deco and just sort of place it in that little gap that has been formed, layering into the side washi as needed. I like how that looks. I'm going to use some of these little itty bitty polka dots that come in the Deco section as well, just to add in some of the other colors. That's really cool. Continuing with the Deco, I like to do the Deco on my work spread first, and then whatever I have left over I bring back into my main spread. I'm going to fix this box because the crookedness is driving me crazy. I'm just going to lift it up a little bit. and recenter it. I didn't put any plans on it to begin with because our plans for Wednesday were kind of tentative, so I wanted to leave that blank. That looks pretty good. I think I'm going to fill in a little bit more on Tuesday. That is Trash Eve, so I'm going to put down one of the little labels as well as an icon, just cover that, and then fill in some more space with Deco, and I've still got a ton of stuff left. I'll probably pull more of these elements in on my work spread as the week progresses. I used all of the full boxes and the glitter check sheet and the side washi, and I realized after the fact I didn't get a really great view of what it looked like, because I did change a couple of things. Our Wednesday evening basketball game was canceled, so I put in a Bippity doing laundry sticker, and I'm just going to do that on that night. And then this is my finished work spread. I think it looks really cool and fun. I added a camera Bippity on Wednesday, as well as some writing. I filled in with a little bit more deco and more of those word things. And I used some of the extra polka dot stickers to form a mini checklist underneath the sidebar box over by the weekend. I think it turned out really well, and I love that almost everything came from the kit, aside from the stickers that I got that are custom for our various activities. Everything I need to lay out the base of both spreads came from a mini kit, glitter check boxes, and side washi, which is amazing. So I will have everything linked down below as well as on Instagram. Don't forget to use my code REESE15 at Glam Planner for 15% off. And thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye-bye.